guys, thanks for joining us for a quick build video on the Eleaf ERL RBA head for the Melo 300. So, quick tour around the box. Is it even fucking worth it? You've got a scratch and sniff on the side, but there's no actual other sealing on it, so you just fucking open the thing up. Bosh, there's your head. And extras. I've got extras. Some Muji. Oh, they provide you some coils. So here we've got two pre-wrapped Clapton coils, an Allen key, and two grub screws as well for the head. Having a look at the head itself, you've got notching around the top of it to help you get hold of it to separate the head. On the side is stamped with ERL RBA, and that reveals, after taking that off, reveals your velocity style deck in there. That post looks to be leaning in a little bit, but you know, I'm sure that's a design feature as opposed to anything else. Kidney shaped air holes here, and at the sides of the deck here you tuck your you tuck your cotton down in there, and that's the juice fill holes at either side here, so you block these holes off with your cotton that absorbs up to your coils. All looks fairly standard, so let's get on with this shit and put a build on here. As we always do, I'll give this a quick clean out with some vodka and then some distilled water, and then we'll be back to throw the build on. Looking at the coils that were supplied, it's a 6-wrap Clapton that's got an internal diameter of 3mm, thereabouts. Right, I've got the deck loaded in the base of the 300. Clip your leads, making sure that they don't go fucking flying, because I can tell you from personal experience it's not nice to stand on them. Once you're happy that you got the first located, go ahead and push through with the second. Right, not my best work, but fuck it, it's close enough. 0.44. Okay, so next up, get the rebuildable head loaded onto your mod to do a quick burn-in of the coils. Right, once you've got your wicks through, just give them a tug either way, just so that they're not tightly compacted in there. They've got room to sort of move, you know what I mean? Know what I mean, Harry? Right, so all the wicks are now safely tucked down, showing through our little juice well holes here. Time to chuck a bit of juice over them. Right, now they're sufficiently saturated, give it a quick test. Oh yes, let's get the top one. Make sure we're not contacting. Right, and there you have it, all back together. Only at 54 watts, and she's chucking quite nicely. I'm quite happy to see that so far I'm not getting any leaks out of it. I'm seeing the bubbles coming up from the juice well holes inside the tank, but nothing so far on the outside, so that's a testament to my wicking ability. Or maybe just fucking dumb luck, who knows. Okay guys, that'll probably about do it for now for this rebuildable video for the Eleaf ERL RBA head. We'll probably be including this rebuildable head with the full Melo 300 review that we do. That will be coming later, so keep an eye on the channel. So yeah, that'll about do it. Thank you for watching. We hope you like what you're seeing and what we're doing for you. If you do, please drop a like and do the whole subscribe thing, because it helps us out a lot. Also, follow us on the social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, because we are quite chatty. And if you like what we're doing for you, please, share us about a bit. Tell all your friends and family and pets, because, well, we like being shared about. Take that how you will. But as always guys, thanks for watching Smog Vlog. Some Canthal, fucking hell. And that's about a good time for the fucking battery to crap out.